Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are watching video with me on app development using this kodular. We have already demonstrated 3 videos under this kodular program. In this video, we are going to cover the spreadsheet. So we will create a spreadsheet and we will go for the database connectivity, and from this kodular app you can also insert and retype data. Okay, for that what you need to do? So first of all you go to the Google. In the Google, just you log in with your Google ID credential. Just you go to there and just click on a sheet. Can you see it here? So when you click a sheet here, so automatically it is opening one sheet. It will be, you can go for creating a sheet. Just to create a blank sheet. Okay, by double clicking a blank sheet is created. You can name it, just I name it students. Okay, so by creating a student Google sheet already I have done, I am showing it here. So in this sheet, Google sheet, what I am showing, I am writing the registered number, the name, mobile and email ID. So 4 cells I am creating. So one is the registered number of a student. This is just I am going to create the student information system. In the student information system, first one is the registered number of the student, then is his name, his mobile number and email ID. So fine. So all the things I randomly inserted some data. This is not the actual name, this is all the faculty I put it them, some random numbers I put it there. So using all the things I am going to create the thing. Fine. So now next what you are going to do, we created a spreadsheet and the name we have given the students, because I am going to create the students information system for BBC Engineering College, any college like that, right? Then what I need to do, I have to use this kodular. For using this kodular, just type creator.kodular.io. already you know how to log into this creator, because you have not registered that also with your Google credential, your Google ID, Google email ID and password will be there. Using that also you can access that one, there is no problem. So okay, so I access that one using my Google credential. Then it is creator.kodular.io. Just I entered it there. Once you enter, then it will ask you, I am going to create a new app. Already you know how to create a new project. So just you click it here, project, then just you go to new project. This new project you have to give a name to that project. Okay, the name of the project I have given like that, something my the student the spreadsheet underscore airtable. Okay, because I'll be using airtable database. From this airtable database, from this spreadsheet I will be taking data. You try to understand. So spreadsheet, it is just like a Google sheet I created just now. Now airtable is an online database management system. I will be from the cloud I will be using. So this spreadsheet, what will be the data, and through this airtable I will be entering all this data here. It will be stored there and also I can retrieve this data. Okay, that is the main aim of my things. Okay, so for that we are not spending a single rupee, because kodular is free, airtable also free database, so everything is free. Just you must know the art of developing one app and how to use that one for any applications, right? So now let us do all the things. So here initially what I have done, so blank screen it will come, screen 1 is the by default blank screen it is coming. So in this screen, so first of all you are going to the user interface. In the user interface you can see you are having a number of components like the button, and we will be mostly using the button as well as the text boxes. Okay, and also labels will be there, right? So first of all I want to 1 2 3 4 number of text box I want. So you go to the text box. In the text box, once you click it here, so this text drag and drop, it is 1 2 3 4. While you are coming here to this text box, you the by default the font size will be 14, just you change to 12, right? That one done. Then here in the text box 1, I want to give a particular name to that one. So just click in the text box 1, by default it will text box 1, and go to the edit button. So in this edit, so you can give a name. I have given registered number box, because what is the actual things I have put it there, right? Similarly on this one I have given name, because first one is the registered number, second one is the name dot box, name underscore box I have given, third one I have given mobile underscore box, and fourth one I have given email box. You get it now? So any one I am taking, which how I am going for that one. First the registered number 1 box. So here you can create a background color. I have given some color, but you click it here. For this any color you select. The background color here I have selected something like light gray I have given. You can make it white, you can make this color, you can, what is the color you set it set. then automatically the color will be set. Fine. So now this is the thing you have done. Then okay, you cancel it because already have done. So while you are selected here, so this height, width, everything you can do it here. Width what I have given, if you set the width here, you see it is covering the entire span here, but it looks short, that's why I am putting it here like this, right, automatically. So similarly the height also you cannot make it automatic. Here I have made it automatic, right? So height and width have given. The hint what it should appear when I put this cursor here, it is showing a register number. Can you see here? This is the hint what it should appear. I am writing it here, right? Then hint color, what color it should come. I have given this color. Suppose you want some little light color it should come. You give it any color, you can give it here. This is coming something black, or you put any color. But by default some color is given, so I am not worried about that one. The same color, let it there, right? Then it will take the input type. It is normal. You can put it what is the input type you want to take, a normal or password type input you want to take, or name it will take, or email it will take, or number. So anything you want that you can put it here. It is your choice, right? So first one, what is the register number? So by default it is the normal type it will take. Then coming to the second one it is also normal. I am taking it here. Third one also it is coming normal. I am putting normal. I don't have any problem. Then is the email, but you can put it email and everything. If you are putting that email, then you have to strictly put that email ID, otherwise it won't take it. Fine. So fourth one, it is being the showing the email. Okay. So in this email I put email 4, right? Once you put it there, strictly you have to give the email. Okay. So when I take this one, this is the mobile data. The mobile data type, you cannot put it normal. You have to strictly put the numbers, right? So the numbers will be here. Okay. Phone numbers. Okay, it will take now phone number. So without phone number it will not take. Similarly, so what is this? This is the thing. It is the name. So name, it is the normal, or it will take the text. You don't have any problem. It will take name. Okay, so it will take name. So then first one I am putting the registered number. Registered I am putting number. So whatever things you want to do it, that you can do it here. Instead of normal, you can put it. It is normal. It is fine. You don't have any problem on that one. Okay. So all the things you have taken successfully, right? Then you can see now I have taken 4 number of text boxes, right? So then after this I want a label. Why? Because I take 2 buttons. Where you get the buttons? You go to the user interface. In the user interfaces you can get the button here. So in this button I drag and drop this button here. So this is the things button, it comes here. In this button it is asking, you can give what is the name. I put the submit button, name is submit. Other things what I told you, you can change your property according to that, and the text alignment should be center because it is coming center. And the color also, you clicking it here, you can check the color because text color is something I want, and the background color of this button I want. So I wanted blue color, so already I set it blue color, right? So you can set any color, right? I can set it here. Then I want to put a label here in between. Why I want to put a label? Because when I submit, it has to show some message. So record added, something like that. Okay, when submitted, it is added or not, how can I know? So it has to show me the record is added, right? So like that. So this is the things I have to do it here. Then the third thing is that I want to fetch the data. So for that I drag and drop another button, fetch data. I name it fetch data, and I put one more label. This was the label number 1. The label number 1, you see it here. And this is the label number 2. You can see this is the label number 2. Label number 1, only it will give a confirmation. So when I press the submit button, first I enter data and submit the button, it will say data is added. And fetch, when I want to fetch the data for a particular line, the data it has to show. So what are the things we are going to do it here? First of all, using this airtable, I am going to create a database, and it is same as the spreadsheet what you have done. Then what I want to do, then using this we have to save the data there. Using this app I have to save the data in the airtable, and using clicking this button also I can fetch this data. Okay, so this is the things. We will not take much more time for this one. Then what you want, if you want to put some label here, just to drag and double one label here and write it here, student information system. Just I created a label. In this label 3 I put the name is student information systems. Color we can change it there. Second one, I drag another label and put it BBC Engineering College Center. Everything you can do it here. All the things I told you now at the procedure how to do. It's clear? So up to this, our design part is over. Can you see? This is the design part is over. Then we are going to the blocks, right? So before going to the blocks, what are the things we have to create? We have to go for this airtable. So for going to this airtable, we have to log into the airtable.com. In the airtable.com, you have to go with you can log in you can create one ID there, or using your Google credential also you can log in. With my Google credential I have already logged in. Okay, and in your first workspace you can create a workspace there also. Yeah, you can go to here, you can go to the account and all things you can do it here. Overview, all the things you can see here. Okay, so you get it now. Now I'll show you in this how to go for this Airtable and all things you can do it here, right? Then another thing is that then we account Airtable is there, API is there. Okay, this is immediately you don't need this one, right? So in this Airtable now we have to go for the recent activities and my workspace. In the my workspace you just go to you have created a number of workspace here. So I have to add one workspace here. Okay, add or manage workspace. All the things are there. It is there. So by adding a workspace, what you need to do here, you can take one CSV file, because or you can there is a procedure of from this Excel sheet, what is the data is there, all the data is there, just you select everything, just you copy it, enter thing, Control C, copy. And there is a procedure here also that you can put here in the database. Okay, so when we are creating the first time we are creating something like here, so then what you need to do, copy and paste it there. Then when you press it import, when you are going for the pressing this import, it will show you what is the header, all the 4 headers it will show, and all these rows of data will be there, and it will ask you a name to save it. So you can save it with some name. I have given it the students. What is the database name I have given? I have given the name is as the students. So up to this it is fine. Okay, now what you need to do, now we go back to our kodular. In the kodular I am going to the blocks. I am going to the blocks there. Okay, so in this blocks what I need to do, what is my thing, see whenever I click this submit button, I enter some data, and when I click this, what it will do, so this data will be added and some message it has to come. That is the thing. Okay, you understand now. When I click the submit button, I am going to make the coding for that one. So right, when button 1 is clicked, another thing is that, so this invisible thing spreadsheet, you drag and drop one spreadsheet here, because already created spreadsheet there. So this logo drag and drop it here where, so you have to put in the designer. The designer drag and drop this so it is showing already one spreadsheet, but it is not visible. Okay, it is non-visible things, right? So are you following me? So in this you already created a spreadsheet 1. Then you go back to this block. Now what you will do, I want to create a button for this thing. Okay, then you go to the control. In the control, can you see it here? No. You go to the here. No, not like that. First you go to the button 1. You go to the button 1. Where is the button 1? Button 1, it is just like when you click that button, data it will be added. So I am telling drag and drop. When button 1 is clicked, you see it here, drag and drop it here. Okay, it has already come here, but I already brought it, that's why I don't want it here, so I put it here, or I drag it here. So when button 1 is clicked, right, then what you will do, when button 1 click, what you will do, so you have to call spreadsheet and create. Now you have to create row. Okay, in the spreadsheet you have to create some rows. What are the, where you get these things? So you have to go to the spreadsheet. Where is the spreadsheet? Here is the spreadsheet, right? In the spreadsheet, can you see call spreadsheet create row? Can you get it here? Call spreadsheet 1 create row. Drag and drop it here. Okay, so are you getting me? So call spreadsheet create row. Okay, so it will have column names and also it will have values, right? So now by default again I want to make a list. Where is the list? So you go to the list. Go to the list. Here make a list. Can you see here make a list? By default 2 are there. You drag and drop make a list, and there you can increase, copy and duplicate. So because in my list 4 number of items are there, so I am putting 4. What is the name? In the make list, 1 is the registered number, second one is the name, third one is the mobile number, fourth one is the email. Are you getting me? So from this list, first I have got the spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet I put it, I created 2 things. One is the column name, by default column name and value will come, but 2 to value will come. So then what I did it, then I have to go for the make a list. On the list you drag and drop it here. Then you just go to the text. You go to the text. In the text, you can see. Can you get it here? This empty. This a text string is there. Drag and drop it here. There you put it the register number, name, mobile, email. Then in the values, that is the registered number box. In the registered number box, whatever the value you are putting, that it will be here. The name box, what is the value, it will come here. So one is the name. What is the name? Registered number. In the registered number name. So what is the value in the registered number box? What you are putting it there. So like that, all these values you put it there. Where you get all the things? So registered number box or name box and all things. Where you get all the things? First of all, you go to the registered number. Where is the registered number? Registered number box is there. You get it now. In the registered number box, so you can register number box dot text. Register number box. Registered number. You can check it at registered number box text. Register number box, drag and drop it here, put it here, register number dot. So once you same thing duplicate, so all these four automatically will. One you put registered number, then you put it as the name, third one you put it as the email, mobile, whatever things you put it there, right? So mobile and email, got it now. So now when you click the button one, from this spreadsheet it created a list, and that data it has taken from this input box, right? Then what I do, then you go for when the spreadsheet row created, when the row is created, then what will the if, so you just go to the spreadsheet again, go to the spreadsheet. When spreadsheet you come here, created, you see, when spreadsheet 1 row is created, just drag and drop it here, okay? When spreadsheet 1 row created, so then two conditions are there, okay? So that if it is created, the response code will be 200. If it is 0, then it is not created, some error is there, okay? So if the code is 200, how do you do that one? So first of all, you go to math, you go to here, you go to the math, yeah, you go to the math. In the math, can you see here, it is something, it is this one, you take it, this drag and drop it here, okay? So you drag and drop it here. In the first one, if get response code, where you get that one? So from this you can see, you drag and drop this get response code, and here you put a value equal to 200, okay? And then if this is the condition, that means if it is successfully created, then set label 1. Where you get this? You go to the label 1. Where is the label 1? Because in the label 1 it has to show something, okay? Then you go to the label 1. Where is the label 1? So the label 1 is here, label 1. In the label 1, so we are having, so what you want? Set label 1 text 2. Where you get that answer? Set label 1 text 2. Set label 1. Set label 1. You can check it here, somewhere it will be there. Set label 1 text to something here. Drag and drop it here inside, okay? Set label 1 text to what? Now you drag from this your text, from go to the text and take a blank one. Here you type record created or record added, right? Then the second one, so if this is the condition, then record is added. If it is not there, if something wrong is there, then in that case else. How do you go for the else? You just go for this one, this else, drag and drop it here. Automatically initially if then was there, so else will be added. Then same thing what you have done, copy and duplicate, it is there. But here that means if there is no error, record is added, it will show. If some error is there, then it will say something has gone wrong or something gone wrong, right? So this is there. So up to this we have successfully created all the things, right? Now are you getting me? So then next what you are going to do, I am going to create another button. I told you that I created another button. I can, up to this we can check it, there is no problem. So I am going to create another button. What is that button? Fetch data button, and also one label I want to create it there. You create it in the similar way. So what is my purpose? When I click this fetch data, the data it has to bring and it display here, okay? Same thing I am going to do it here. So when button 2 dot click, where you get these things? Just you go to the button 2. Where is the button 2 here? In the button 2 on the top, when button 2 dot click is there, then what you do? Call spreadsheet get row. Call, where you get this? So you go to the spreadsheet again, spreadsheet. So call you delete get there no get row, I want get row, call spreadsheet 1 get row, drag and drop it here, and here I want some mathematical number, which row I want to see it here. So in that case, just you go to the mathematics here, in the maths, you will have the first one, drag and drop it here. You make which row you want to, I want to the row number 6 or row number 5, all the things I want to check it, get it there, okay. Then you got it now no number created. Now what I want to do, when spreadsheet 1 got row, when I get the row, then what I have to do, then do set label to text to get the values. That means when here when you click it, a row is created, and when row is created, the row is selected, and the same is to be displayed, okay. When spreadsheet dot get row, then set label to, you same thing, set label to dot text, you go to that label to, drag and drop it here, and here the values will be there, no, here get values and set values, select this, get and drag and drop here, okay. Up to this you have done successfully. If you have done everything successfully, then what you need to do, just export it, and Android app.apk, you see it is showing, it is saving, it takes less than 1 minute, so it will be saved, and you can save it on the desktop also. And I told you that I am not using this companion, instead of that I am using another open source where you can do all the things. There is no need to go for Android, there is no need to go for companion, so just we can use a substitute of that one, okay. It is done. Now download the APK, okay. The APK is downloaded, and it will be saved somewhere on the desktop. The name is spreadsheet underscore airtable, right. So I saved it here. Now I hope it is successfully saved. Close it here and minimize all the things. Now you can see in this, I was in the BlueStack X. I told you that instead of Android, just is a very small thing, you can download and install there, BlueStack X. Once you install, then all the things you can do it there. Then I double click the spreadsheet air drop, okay. Now once you click it here, it is a very beautiful one, and you can do any play games, everything you can do it here, but I am not suggesting to play game. Only if you want you can develop games, don't play game. Once you have done all the things, you can see the spreadsheet option, it is coming, okay. You click it here, and you see now yeah, spreadsheet it is coming, fine, so it's nice. So can you see it here? Yeah, can you see it here? It is coming, the student information system, UBC engineering college. Put your registration number, put your name, put your mobile number, put your email, whatever things you want to put it here, put here, right. So okay, so what I want to do, I want to make it a big one so that everybody can see. So all of you observe it. Roll number I am putting 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is my roll number. My name is GG. Hello BVC. So this is my name, and my mobile number is 9876543210. Okay. So here BVC shift@gmail.com. Fine. So this is some sample I have done it here, right. MAIL. Fine. mail.com, right. When I submit this data, can you see record added? What it is showing? Can you see? That means this record is added. It is added, not, we'll check it. Then I want to fetch the data, line number 6. See, line number 6 already it was there, Subhasri, and this was his mobile number, this is his registration number, and this is the email ID. You get it now? So all the things, all the data you can do, you can save. See, with little modifications, you can also show the entire data, or you can show the data for a particular cell. That means I want to know, I give a registration number, I want to know the name of the candidate, that is also possible. Everything you can do it here. I hope you have understood the basic concept, and if you really like this video, please do share with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe this also. So the thing is that the people, maybe some people may not be acquainted with this Airtable database. So if you respond properly, then I will have a special video how to properly work on this Airtable, because it is a totally new one and it is an online database management system. So it is not difficult. What I have shown you, that is very normal things, and I hope all of you enjoyed this video, and please take care of health. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.